Okay, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but thank you. So the last group is the Boiler Room, who are an internationally recognized innovation and consulting hub, providing learning, digital production, safety and management consulting solutions. They've delivered innovative visual learning and digital production solutions across all industries globally since 1999. So please welcome the whole quartet, not just Addy and Mark. I haven't met the others, but take the floor.
Thanks everybody for having us. My name's Mark. I'm the founder and CEO of the Boiler Room Productions. Thanks for having us. Thanks for the opportunity to present our solutions to industry. We're very excited to have this opportunity, and I think we can knock it out the ballpark for you. I think the agenda today, a little bit about Boiler Room, who we are. We're going to talk a little bit about Immerse, and then we have built a virtual reality drill rig based on the content that was provided by Harmony. So having a first slide. Okay, some of our clients. We're a global developer for Sandvik. Sandvik is one of the main manufacturers of underground mining machines. We've developed a maintenance solution which they are rolling out. Currently we're on vehicle 12. They've identified top 100 vehicles that they want us to use our system on. We've worked with Deloitte's Anglo-American. We did a preventative maintenance system for them using virtual reality out of their Brisbane office, which is where the maintenance is held from. They've saved 2 billion Rand by using our preventative maintenance solution. We've done work for Total globally. South32, we're the preferred global developer for VR, AR, and e-learning content. Vodafone, which and also Vodacom, we're their preferred VR, AR developer. Many other mines. Exara, we're doing some really cutting-edge stuff with them. Really, really exciting. Digital twins. We're building our OneSim motion platform simulator, which is a new breed of using VR simulators to replace conventional simulators. We have been around for 22 years now. We are the oldest animation company in South Africa. With that, we have the largest industrial library in the world, or one of them. We have pretty much, you name it, we have it, including the kitchen sink in our libraries. For mining purposes, we have every type of mining, from manual mining through to, we've just got a project now coming up in Mongolia, which is a super block cave environment. So if you hit us with something, we'll have in a few minutes a 3D model ready for you, pulled out of the library. We have done thousands and thousands of, we've done actually inductions alone, we've done over 1,000. We've done over a couple of hundred VR applications. We are extremely well versed in this industry. We work with, so I just want to read the screen, VR, AR, extended reality, e-learning. So we work across platforms, across solutions. So we don't just say you have to have this technology. We can have a lower level and ramp it up through to the Rolls-Royce of solutions for you. What have we got there? We've partnered with a company called Immerse. Immerse is a UK-based company. They are, for all intents and purposes, the LMS of VR. They are a very unique system. You all understand learner management systems, that's great. We understand e-learning. When it comes to virtual reality, where do we store our data? Where do we get our content? Where do we get our results? That's where we partnered with Immerse. So with that, Immerse have got clients, Mars, General Electric, Shell. Together we've worked with Nestle. We're becoming one of their preferred partners globally. We, done a lot of work with them so far. Our staff, we're about 70 strong at the moment, and we are frantically expanding at the moment to got projects just coming in left and right at the moment. So we are very much broken into sort of 3 areas. We have animation department, we have a programming department, game dev we call it, and then we also have a big section of subject matter experts. So we've just picked up a major contract in Saudi Arabia with the oil fields. It's a multi-year project, and we've got internal SMEs that can actually address the solutions for the client. With mining, we've been working with mining for 22 years. So as I've been to a number of meetings at the mines, the guys say, "Oh, what mine have you worked at, Mark?" I'm like, "No, whoa, I'm an animator, whoa." So, but I do speak mine very, very well. Okay, next. The library, like I've touched on before, it's massive, it's extensive. We have pretty much every type of machinery modeled already. We've got every type of mining methodology. We've done work with Eskom, got inside and outside of power stations modeled, high voltage yards. We've done work for China United Airlines. We have airplane models, done maintenance solutions for them. We've got massive digital twins. So, for example, Exaro Belfast, we have the exact site in a virtual reality model. You can walk around. We've got maintenance solutions developed for them. We've got the One Sim, which is the next generation in simulators. We also have, we're doing their top 10 SOPs. So all the standard operating procedures on the processing plant, you can actually go and do in virtual reality, which is, I think, a first. Might be stand corrected here. What else? Surface, underground, you name it. Hit me for the topic, I'll tell you we've got a model. Guarantee we have. So we are massive. I'm going to hand over to Andrea.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Hayes. Is it working now? Oh yeah, it's working now. Okay, cool. My name is Andrea Hayes and I am the head of the department of the game development or gamified learning development side of the Boiler Room. I want to just tell you quickly about the framework that our developers at the Boiler Room have built and are currently using to build all of our VR and AR applications. We use the gaming engine called Unity. And we've been working very closely with Unity to maintain and upgrade this framework so that our developers can use it when they program and create projects. So the framework is, as I said, a Unity-based coding library that allows our developers to create efficient, fast, and reliable code, which speeds up the process of development. The framework holds multiple dynamic and inbuilt methods and functionalities that allow us to program and create for multiple platforms, including mobile, the web, desktop, AR, and VR. Our framework has multiple drag and drop functionalities that allow our programmers to quickly and effectively add gameplay mechanics and interactive environments to any project. The framework allows our developers to set up various kinds of 3D modeled vehicles and machines and environments so that they are game ready and game ready for virtual reality experiences. Along with our animation team and our enormous 3D library, the Boiler Room is able and ready to build any kind of digital learning experience that can come to your mind. Overall, the framework speeds up our development for projects, it increases our accuracy, it increases our quality, and it just overall makes our turnaround a lot faster. It allows us to create repeatable codes and repeatable scenes for clients, and because of this, it decreases our costs. Yes. Cool.
Thanks, Andrea.
Cool.
And I think this is the part where I'm coming up. My name is Adi. Sorry? 2 minutes left. Oh, I need to be quick. So one of the things that we've got, and I'm just going to show it up, we've got the virtual reality advantage. I think you will be able to see the stats. I think very important from an immerse perspective, what we can do. Again, the platform allows you to have 2 players in the experience. And I'm actually going to skip across the video. What I want to show you, we created some learning for the challenge. The demo consisted of e-learning and then a VR challenge. As we get into VR, one of the things we create is we create this outline of what we need to do. Today we focused on this, and what I want you to show quickly is the actual video. And what you will see here is a little bit of showcasing what it will look like to actually do, for one, e-learning. Yes, we built still quite a bit of e-learning, but then the second part to actually show you what it will look like when we actually take one of the rock drills and we actually take that into virtual reality. So the process of assembling, etc. What you're seeing here is the e-learning. So very visual, bringing in the components, allowing the people to actually understand how does it come together. You've got the ability also then to put an assessment in. So you will see we've got a drag and drop, etc. I'm going to try and speed this up for time. There you see the drag and drop, where you need to bring in the questions, and being able then to track and see exactly where we are. Just going to wait for the video to play. And then you will see the virtual reality that we've created, where you've got the drill. Again, we've created the underground environment. The team was able to use some of the components in the library. You will see now having the instructions on screen, where you need to go through and assemble the drill, the individual pieces, putting the nut on, being able to insert the tip, and then actually physically taking the drill and actually being able to drill a hole in the rock, and then to go behind the back and actually see the hole that you just drilled. Okay, did it go skew? Did it go, was it exactly placed where you wanted it? So the nut being put on, and now the air and water hose is being connected. So again, that is done in virtual reality. We've got the ability now to just do it by hand tracking. As Mark alluded earlier on, we do the motion platforms, etc. And this is, I think, using hand tracking in virtual reality is only possible since quite recently. It's something new that has come out. Here you can see the drill being operationalized now, actually going and now having to push forward. Tactile VR, one of the points that we've created, using a fire extinguisher and actually using a real world object. You can do that with this drill as well, being able to actually feel. You can hear the sound. I don't know if it's coming across well, but you would hear, you can see, and you need to actually have the posture is very important, and then being properly positioned to actually drill the hole correctly. Have I used my minute? Saying thank you. Any questions? And I don't know who knows the picture in the background. So this is, to answer your question, this is Ready Player One. If you haven't watched it, do yourself a favor. The book is equally good, but the book is better, okay? Watch Ready Player One, and it's actually quite amazing to see what they've come up with. And then, mark my words, we're not that far from Ready Player One.
Cool. Thank you so much, and well done for the presentation.
Thank you.
So, any questions from the judges? I think one question would be BE status.
Just completed a mock audit now. We've come out as level 3. We're doing the recommendations, and that will come out at a level 2.
Any other questions from the judges or the audience? Wonderful. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, again.